recording? Okay.
So this is Pro Video now, and I've got it on 24 frames per second, and I've increased the exposure. And you can increase the shutter speed as well. Yeah? Did you know that? And you can go focus. And you can do front microphone, rear microphone.
What the hell, really? That's cool.
And when if you go front microphone now, it's me talking. I can increase the decibels to record me. 12 decibels. See the yellow lines. I can reduce it now to minus 10 decibels.
That means you can talk while you're recording
And I should have done this when I went to the beach. Instead of getting the waves sound, I should have put it in the front. So you learn as you go along, mate. What's this? Oh yeah, the histogram.